I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device is supported and then back up everything. Flashing wipes user data. Connect your phone to a PC with Android SDK platform tools installed so you can use a DB and fastboot commands. Enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and allow OEM unlocking. This permits the bootloader to be unlocked. Once done, reboot into fastboot mode using a DB reboot bootloader so you're ready to unlock and flash the official Android 12 image. You now unlock the bootloader with Fastboot OEM Unlock or Fastboot Flashing Unlock. Be aware this may factory reset and affect warranty. Next, download the exact Android 12 factory image for your model and extract it into the Platform Tools folder. Then use the provided FlashAll script or run Fastboot Flash commands for boot, system, vendor, and vendor boot partitions manually. Make sure each command completes without errors. If a step fails, stop and note the error for troubleshooting before proceeding. You finish by rebooting the device and walking through Android 12 setup, restoring apps from your backup. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, boot into recovery and perform a factory reset, then reflash the image. Often a corrupt transfer or missed partition causes failures. Make sure your PC has current USB drivers and that Fastboot supports your device's protocol versions. If flashing reports partition mismatch, download the correct image and retry. One key tip: check cable and USB port first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.